Good evening, parents and families. Welcome to Open House. My name is Mr. Lechuga, and I am your new school librarian. Tonight, I have 5 minutes to share with you my vision for our library. My goal today is to show you that a modern school library is about so much more than just quiet space full of all kinds of books. It's it's a space that functions as the central hub for student learning. So, who am I and what's my role here? First, I'm a certified teacher. I work as an instructional leader in our school, and my job here is about more than just loaning out books. I teach students how to evaluate information, how to think critically, and how to use digital tools safely and with ethics in mind. I want you to think of me as a co teacher for every single classroom in this building. How can the library program here make a difference in your son's or daughter's learning? Well, research keeps showing that schools with strong active library programs and certified librarians show higher student achievement. I help students move from just searching for facts to investigating and solving problems. By promoting a culture of inquiry and making sure that students have access to diverse reading materials, we directly improve not just their reading comprehension, but their critical thinking as well. I don't work here all alone by myself. I actively make myself available and I collaborate with your children's classroom teachers. We team up, we co plan, and we co teach. Whether a teacher needs digital tools for a project or specialized reading materials tailored to a specific lesson, I am here to support their instruction. What does an active library look like in practice? Well, it's a place where students are not only actively pursuing answers to the things that matter to them, this is also a place where they can practice creative expression. This year, we're offering hands on STEM and makerspace activities where students can build and be creative. We will be exploring the topic of digital citizenship to make students aware of how they can be safe and also be smart online. Plus, we will have school wide reading challenges, book clubs, and offer author visits. More importantly, I want to work with you. As parents, by default, you are your child's first teachers, and our partnership is important. I will be sharing resources to help you support reading at home, and I will be providing your family with 24-hour access to our school's digital ebook libraries. I want you to look out for family literacy nights, and I also welcome parent volunteers because we can always use a helping hand or two or three. Also, I would love to have your input as we grow our program to better serve this community. Thank you so much for your time tonight. Please feel free to stop by the library, even if it's just to say hello or to ask any questions. I look forward to having a fantastic school year, and I want to thank you for coming out tonight.